Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Ibrahim's World Vision. In this video, I am going to make a project that is automatic scrolling LCD display. You would have already seen this project in front of restaurants, hotels and shops and also behind the buses. Today I am going to make a small model of it. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe my channel and like this video so that it will motivate me to do more videos. Now let us start doing the project. Now before start doing the project, let us see what are the component requirements. On Arduino Uno, this is a microcontroller. It looks small but we can do many projects using it. And LCD display with I2C board additionally added to it. ITC board is used to convert the 16 pins of a normal LED into 4 pins to make our connection easier. 4 male to female jumper wires and one coding cable to code the Arduino Uno, and finally a laptop or computer or any electronic device to code the Arduino Uno. Now let us start the connection. Now connect the GND of the LCD display to GND of Arduino Uno and VCC of LCD display to 5 volt and SDA to A4 and SCL to A5. A means analog. Now the connection is so simple and we have completed the connection. Now let us code the Arduino Uno. Now click on Arduino IDE and open it, and it will load for a few seconds. Then open your source code. For that, click on File, click on Open, and then it will take you to the code which you have already saved. I will give the code in the description. You can copy or download it. Now let me open the code. In the third line of the code, you can type whatever string you want. Now go to Tools and select the board as Arduino Uno and the port as COM3. In my device, it's showing COM3, but it can differ in your device. For example, in my device, it's COM3. And in yours it can be like COM4 or COM5, but in the starting it will be mentioned as COM. Select the port, then click on upload and it will start uploading. Now let me remove the cable and connect it so it won't show any error. Now in the string message I have typed as hello guys, I am Syed Ibrahim. Subscribe to my channel Ibrahim's World Vision. And what I have typed, it's printing here and it's printing perfectly. As mentioned in it, subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe my channel so that it will motivate me. Not only this string, you can type whatever string you want. If you have a YouTube channel, you can type like this or whatever string you want. Now you can see that the project is working very perfectly. In my next video, I would try to make wireless notice board in which we can control this LCD with our Bluetooth, with our mobile phone through Bluetooth. Whatever we type in our mobile phone, it will print on that LCD. So until that, stay tuned and like my video and subscribe my channel so that it would motivate me. Bye.